Hello, wonderful people. So far my voice did not yet return fully. My precious friends are taking over and will speak for me. In this video, I want to tell you a little bit about White Knight's colors, which came out last year. All the colors are very bright and fill existing gaps in the White Knight's range. The new colors are Aureline, Naples Yellow, Naples Orange, Orange, Geranium, Venice Purple, Cobalt Azure, Cobalt Turquoise, May Green. I have to admit that they make me really happy. Though I don't have many uses for Naples Yellow and Naples Orange yet, they still look nice. The brightness and the range is much appreciated by me, and I can't even pick a favorite. The White Knight's watercolors feel just so nice when being painted with. They glow and flow and have bright, strong colors. It's not a secret that they belong to my favorite paints, especially because they are easy to re-wet, even the cobalts. In my experience, this can be an issue in other brands. After creating a mixing chart with the new colors, which is also available on Ko-fi, I attempted a happy little painting, which turned into a handmade greeting card. The assembling was very easy. I just cut the painting down to size and glued it to the card base. As this video was recorded months ago, this card was already received by a baby and his parents together with some hand-knitted gifts. Once again, I want to wish you all a wonderful time. Stay safe and healthy. Take care of yourself and your beloved ones. Bye.